Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Wife reminded me of something that's in the way. Let me show you here. So, the TV and Xbox here, we need good internet. And downstairs is my internet box. Okay, I can't bring it up here because there's no outlet for it. So I got this extension Cat 6 to extend the Wi-Fi, and it's direct connection, which is better than Wi-Fi. So cord goes all the way down. Okay, and then sorry if I'm going too fast. And that's my box. Yes, this is a mess, but it's gonna get fixed tomorrow. The video tomorrow. How to clean your room. Okay. To start. Also, if you're looking for the same kind of thing to get direct link for Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi, but I'll put a link in below so you can buy the exact same one. It's I think like 60 feet or something like that. It's pretty low. So start. Have these things. So this thing comes with a bunch of these that you put the wire in there, nail it to the wall, and yeah. Next, we're going to go down to the bottom. You can go down with me, babe. Go down.
Do you want me to straighten it out?
No, I got it. You do it. Wait, didn't we want it to go, because if it's like this, we have to go above again. What if we went straight down like that? You know?
Oh.
Look at this though. So we need to figure out this now. Wonder if I should put it up right here also, so that way
Yeah.
it's gonna go like that. So I'll have to take this one off. Should be able to just pull off, huh?
Maybe.
Like that. They never said anything about taking them off. Wow. Can you give me that small hammer? This little hammer's actually cute.
You can do it.
What? I think this is like Wifey's
So,
turn.
like this, right?
Hold on, show me again.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Yeah.
Yep, it wants to. Mama got it. Mama got. How you feel?
'Cause I'm a
How you
heavy
feel?
woman.
So now, that's slack right there. How do you get rid of the slack? You pull right there, and then you pull on that side. Let's set it down right here. Yep. All right. Next
Think of
nail.
extra ones?
Finishing up.
And one more. Chop it.
Are we done? Yay. Alright guys. We're done with up here. Woohoo. I've been wanting to do this for like a year now. I really think so. Okay. Better, babe? Who's this guy? Okay. Anywho. Oh, you remind me of this kid from, what was it? When you smile like that, smile again. When you did the word smile. Okay, yes, yes. I'm gonna find it. Some movie, TV show. I don't know off the top of my head, but I'll find it. Okay, next project.